So this is men's height compared to this graph. You can see that the average is around 5'10", and that's where the majority of the men are. And then from distribution, you can see that very few men are above 6'3", which is 190 centimeters right there. But like the previous graph, we know that women prefer men over 6 feet, which is represented in this line right here. And that means that the majority of the men are disregarded. And based on the normal distribution, it does seem like that 33% of men are the most desirable, and therefore they get most of the women. So you may ask, how is this fair? Where the curve, if you overlay this over, it would literally look like this. So the peak of this curve is right here at 5'10". So the majority of the men at the area under the curve that overlays between the blue here is wanted by majority of women. That leaves you the majority of the curve is essentially disregarded. So that really narrows the option, and some have said that, the top 20% of men are being chased by the majority of women, which I do think is a little bit true. And that's why you hear women complaints about fuckboys who cheats, and then there are guys that are getting nothing. It's sort of the way it is of how humans mating works, but let me know if you have any more questions.